This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com. In this video, I'm going to run through a hypergeometric distribution example. A group of 6 female managers and 19 male managers apply for an assignment. A random sample of 5 people is drawn from a hat. This is without replacement, so we know that we're not going to be able to use the binomial distribution. We're going to have to use the hypergeometric distribution formula. We want to find out the probability 4 of the chosen managers will be female and 1 will be male. So let's take this one part at a time. We'll start with K. All this formula is really telling us is the number of samples that have 4 females and 1 male. Out of all the possible samples of size 5. I'm going to take this part first. What we have here are female managers and male managers. So I'm going to say this first part is females and the second part right here is males. So if K is the number of females in the population, well, we're told we have 6 female managers. And little k is the number we're choosing, so we have 4. Then the next part is just saying what's left over, and that's the number of males. Well, we have 6 female managers and 19 males. You could get that same number by plugging in the total population, 25, minus k, the number of females, 6. And we want 1 male, so 19 over 1. The bottom part of the formula is n, the total number in a population, 25. And n is our sample size, that is 5. What we have here is a giant combinations formula. It's much easier to figure it out piecemeal. You can either use your graphing calculator, or we have an online calculator at statisticshowto.com. The calculator is pretty simple to use. If we have 19 over 1, 19 is going to be your n, r is going to be your 1, and for this particular hypergeometric distribution, the order doesn't matter. We don't care what order the managers are in, and the items can't repeat. We are not choosing with replacement, so the items don't repeat. Click calculate and we'll scroll down. Here's the solution, 19. So our 19 over 1 is 19. 6 over 4 gives us 15. And finally 25 over 5. Let's hop back to the calculator. $53, 130. And the solution is 0.005362, 3 decimal places. Check us out at statisticshowto.com for more videos and examples on everything statistics.